कम सिट. गणपती बाप्पा. असं
See what happens, I'll tell you.
I kept seeing you in the mirror. You are like, अरे म्हणजे काय झोपते तू, मी गाडी चालवतोय. उशी लावायची आतमध्ये. करूया तसं. लॅपटॉप आहे त्यात. दिस वर्क का दिस थोडी काय चांगलीच घाण झाली. हां झोप बघू. इथे बघ, इथे बघ. हे बघा झोपलेले लोक हेल्मेटमध्ये झोपतात बाईकवर. Sleeping on a bike wasn't enough.
I was not sleeping. I was just doing.
I'm not bringing you back. I'm gonna put you in a bus and I'll come all by myself.
I'm not Rohan.
What?
I'm not Rohan. To put me in a bus.
Rowan doesn't do what you did. You annoyed me firsthand.
See, I dozed off 10 times. Okay? 10 times. I counted. Every time I dozed off, I was like, fuck, he's gonna be mad. Fuck, he's gonna be mad. And I was like, that was 10 times. So, yeah. Honestly, she told me, Veda, don't come today. Like, you were unwell also, don't come. But it was an important thing. So I had to go.
Okay. But you have to make up for what you did today. That's all. That's all.
कोल्हापूरला वी माइट स्टॉप फॉर इटिंग फूड आणि मग बघू. आय थिंक ओपल किंवा असं काहीतरी बघते जायला. मला नाव पाठवून ठेव. नॉन AC जो असेल तर चालेल आम्हाला. आम्ही एक 6:30-7 पर्यंत असू.
So we randomly changed our plans from Konkan to Goa.
No, we toss. We did a toss.
We did a toss for Goa.
Yeah.
We left for Goa.
Yeah.
We reached Pune and we booked a night stay at Amboli.
Set.
Yes.
Is your tummy set?
Tummy is also set. And see, I cleaned the windscreen and I cleaned the lights and I cleaned the indicator because that's what people need to see. And you can see rest of the bike is all dirty. Look at this.
Yuck.
Yeah. Now we just need to look at
We
the
could
shoes,
easily
look at
fit
all the dirt.
whatever is inside this bag in the top box, but you wouldn't agree.
No, we already have stuff in the top box, and ideally you shouldn't put a lot of things in the top box. You don't want bike to be top heavy, so all the weight goes here maybe and there, but not here. It gets heavy if you put things here. So
It's so funny. I could fit like 7 days worth of clothes in this bag.
I have 4 t-shirts, 2 pair of shorts, 1 if we are going swimming, 1 just dry, 4 set of undergarments, 1 jeans and 1 track pant in this.
Okay.
And she got almost similar things in this one. And then we have put 1
Laptop.
scarf, chadar, 2 shorts, 2 full pants, 1 hers, 1 mine, underneath as a base. And on top of it we have laptop, charging brick, power banks and stuff. And then this bag here. Come to this side. And then this bag this bag here has our makeup stuff.
No, that's
And-
toiletries, Mithilesh. It doesn't
Shut
have
up.
makeup stuff.
Makeup stuff.
No, choke. Wait. Now I need to see it. Now I'm scared.
You broke the cover.
No. I've not only broke the cover. See? Yeah.
Anyways, toiletries.
Toiletries.
We're gonna put the water bottle here like this.
Yeah.
And then we have one dry bag in this, just in case. And we have tin lubricant, bike cleaner, few
Fog. No,
other
not the fog.
bike things, yeah. Demystifier spray, WD-40, and few Allen keys, 2 pair of flip-flops. All that is in here. Plastic carry bags, in case we need them, we can just shove stuff in the plastic bag. And these, you see these wraps, ties, we can use these on the other side. So we still have one slot left, and the idea is when you travel, you don't carry too many things, and if you have to, you buy them there. So that side is for that. If we happen to reach Goa and we happen to buy a few outfits there, we're gonna put it in a bag and strap them there.
Why are you looking good? No, you are looking
Either.
good. You are looking good.
No.
Yes.
Let's go. बसली गणपती बाप्पा. You want water? मग बरं नाही वाटत आहे. चहा प्यायचे.
It is a song.
Okay. Like on the road, I can't see if there's any hole or anything. Yeah, हेच आहे ना. You got this stuff, shoes, gears, this, that, and point. So many bugs.
How is she doing?
I don't know. We have got 45 average. It's not bad for Himalayan, considering all the luggage we carried and two people sitting on it. We did 513 kilometers in a day, and we still haven't reached Goa. Okay, let's give it a start.
It was so misty last night, we couldn't see shit.
Yeah, we did not see anything that is around.
I just saw this house.
Yeah, I'm switching it on.
Yeah, just that.
I don't remember seeing anything. Not that gate, not this, anything. We came here and I could only see the lights. See, I had to put masking tape on all the bottle caps. See? Otherwise, they keep bouncing here and there in top box. Since we have done 500-ish kilometers, I should ideally lubricate the chain, and then if you come here, you can hear it. I don't know if it's coming from the chain.
There's a big dagger.
We need to. Eva, can you see this?
It's pierced the tire. So good.
Yeah.
It made a dent.
Thanks for reminding. We need to check the tire also. Now I'm gonna switch on the bike, put it on first gear, and slowly keep adding to it.
Yeah.
See all these threads?
Yeah.
That's all.
I don't think we can get it on camera.
I don't like it.
Alish, are you gonna thank me or are you gonna thank me to carry useless things on the trip?
Wait. I thank you every night. You got this on video?
Yeah.
So bad. There was water inside. I don't know how it went there, but it was there. So
You got a bald spot. You got a bald spot.
सगळ्यात पहिले टाकली तूच होणारच.
Why have you taken all of that out? Just to take that water from the...
Really? That is toolkit. If anything goes wrong, I have to use tools.
Don't spat skin. I don't remember seeing any of this last time.
Yeah, none of this was visible.
Safe place.
You checked everything? Set. We are ready. चला. As expected, left घ्यायचा पुढे. Now we are in Goa.
Hello.
We finally made it to Goa.
Made
Second day.
it to Goa.
Fast traveling.
Okay, Max is also there only then. Where are we heading, babe? And what about my German bakery?
We are going there now.
It's not by the sea.
It's not.
No. So then you've said it wrong. You're going to the German bakery to eat pancakes.
We are going to the German bakery to eat pancakes. As my wife said.
Hey, I don't see your ring.
What are we doing now?
We kinda came in for brunch and we
No.
No.
It's 6.
No. I'm talking about morning.
Okay.
We kinda came in for brunch. We had a very bland English breakfast which I did not eat. Then I went back to the hotel room and hopped on games. So
And we slept. Now we are up and like normal people, we want our chai more than anything. And despite being in Goa in the evening, we're gonna go for chai and some food. enjoy this view. It's nice out here.
Mithilesh, you are not supposed to do this. No, पकड़ आता है.
Stand up.
The Michael Jackson thing.
आलं, मज्जा आली. आता पूर्ण कमरेपर्यंत करायचं.
No.
Shit.
Why? 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 Why?
If you are lucky ना, त्याच्यातून आपण फोटो. करू की नको करू? तुला आवडते की नाही आवडते मला नाही कळते.
बसली. त्याला काकी येतो. हो. बोली. हां ठेव.
हे पण आहे बघला.
हां बकलावा. हॅलो हॅलो, येतो आवाज? तुझा आवाज एवढा क्लिअर येतोय. हॅलो हॅलो. काय व्ह्यू होता रे, मस्त वाटलं. भारी होतं ना. कॅमेरा चालूच आहे. दुसरी जागाच नाही ना मग अख्खा महाराष्ट्र पडलेला दाख. चल मग भेटूया. बस. चल मग भेटूया परत.